Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to today's class. I have already informed you in the previous class that today you have test. Am I right? Do you all remember that? Yeah. Have you all learned everything? Very good. What you have learned? Hard words. Choose the correct answers. Rhyming words. That's it. Nothing much. Think and answer. Am I right? Yeah. From these bits, you have test today. But don't worry, my dear children. I don't want to give you the test directly. Once again, I'll explain every bit, each and every bit, and then I'll give you questions. Okay? Right. See? First, I'll give you hard words. Okay? I'll give you hard words. You have to learn these hard words, my dear children, because from these hard words only, I'll give you missing letters. Okay? From these hard words only, I'll give you missing letters. First one, 20. First one, 20. Next one, froggies. Next one, froggies. Next, school. School. Next, vest. Vest. Next one, clean. Clean. Next, study. Study. Next one, play. Play. Rule. Rushing. Rushing. Bullfrogs. Look at the board, all of you, my dear children. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. F-R-O-G-G-I-E-S. Froggies. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. V-E-S-T-S. Vest. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. P-L-A-Y. Play. R-U-L-E. Rule. R-U-S-H-I-N-G. Rushing. B-U-L-L-F-R-O-G-S. Bullfrogs. Once again I will repeat. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. F-R-O-G-G-I-E-S. Froggies. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. V-E-S-T-S. Vest. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. P-L-A-Y. Play. R-U-L-E. Rule. R-U-S-H-I-N-G. Rushing. B-U-L-L-F-R-O-G-S. Bullfrogs. Now I'll give you missing letters. Are you all ready to write? Please note down all these, my dear children. First bit, missing letters. First one. What is that? These five are your missing letters. S dash H dash dash L. What is this word? You have to learn the hard words and then write these. Next, CL dash A dash. FR dash GG dash ES. ST dash D dash. TW dash N dash Y. These are missing letters. These are missing letters. Think and answer. And then we'll go to choose the correct answers. Second bit. I'm going to rub this now. Please note down. Second bit. Take the correct answer. First one. $20 or 10 froggies went to school. How many froggies went to school? 20 or 10 froggies went to school. Whichever is correct, you tick the correct one. Okay. Next, second one. The school was beside a rushing pool or river. The school was beside a rushing pool or river. Where the school was? Beside a rushing pool or river. Which one is correct? Please take that one. Next, third one. The froggies wore coats of green or blue. The froggies wore coats of green or blue. Which colored coats they wore? Green or blue? Whichever is right, you please take that one. Next. The froggies studied or played first. froggies studied or played? For what they did first? Studied or played? Whichever is correct, please tick that one. Okay? This is your second bit. Choose the correct answers. See, 20 or 10 froggies went to school. The school was beside a rushing pool or river. The froggies wore coats of green or blue. The froggies studied or played first. What they did first? Once again, revise the poem and then answer this. 20 froggies went to school. Down beside a rushing pool, 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs they became at last. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. This is your poem. Please once again revise the poem and then answer this. After this, I will give one more bit. One more bit you have. Yeah. Third bit. You have to write. I will give one word. You have to write the rhyming word of that word. School. They. Fast. Logs. Green. Rule. You have to write the rhyming words of these words. School, they, rhyming word. Fast, rhyming word. Logs, rhyming word. Green, same rhyming word. What is the rhyming word of green? Rule, very good. You know all these and I have given notes also. So, please go through the notes. Don't write in a hurry-burry manner, okay? Go through the notes once again, learn everything properly, remember everything and then answer these, okay? After writing the answers along with your name, please send it to your concerned class teacher. Okay, my dear children? Is it okay to you all? Yeah, you have to learn and write. Everyone should write the test today. You should get good grades. Okay, don't take your parents' help or your brothers or sisters' help. You have to write individually. మీరు చదివారా లేదా మీ టాలెంట్ తెలియాలి అంటే మీరు రాయాలి, ఎవరి హెల్ప్ తీసుకోవద్దు. ఓకేనా? Is it okay to you, my dear children? Yeah. So, that's all for today, my dear children. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.